Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day 3. So my room is an absolute freaking mess. Let's slide that down so you guys don't have to see that. But anyway, today we're gonna kind of head down and decorate for Dylan's nephew's birthday. Yeah, all of our stuff is pretty much prepped. I have my makeup on, so we are going to change and get out of here. Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, so now we are in the car.
Yeah.
With all our stuff in the back. There's Maddie, Batty. We woke up pretty early because we needed to go pick up some florals. The best flowers in all of Toronto, at the price especially, I think. Are always the flower shops at Avenue and Davenport. If anyone is ever wondering, that's where we picked up flowers. My parents probably picked up flowers there since before I was born. Like, it's always the place that we go to. Avenue and Davenport. Best, fresh, like no one does flowers like the shops over there. So it doesn't even matter which one you go to, they're all great. So yeah. So we had to go pick up some like foliage, and now we're headed to Loblaws because we wanted to pick up some snacks, and yeah, then we're gonna go sit up. Everything Matthew says is like, we have to keep up the tradition. We have to do this, and it's like, no one does that except you.
I do it. I do it every year. The big guy shows you the best bang for your buck because it does it by weight. So that's 100 grams for 887. And this one is 0.941. So this one's cheaper. But it's Rolo.
That's the extent of my French American. Because there's 60 people.
I mean,
because it's us.
Okay, wait,
yeah.
do they sell them?
Got our stuff.
Yeah. He sees my feet. I'm flossing.
Like
Birthday.
Beautiful. We have right here, signed by me.
We'll have to sign it.
No, I said signed by me. And then this will all be full of pretty things.
Hello.
Oh hi, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Rachel's party planning. Let's go. Side is made by my mom. We got this frame at Goodwill. If you guys remember, it was a few weeks ago. It had that really gigantic cat poster, but we were able to clean it up, and my mom did a little calligraphy on it. And then this eucalyptus. These are from yesterday, in case you guys don't remember. And then we got our hot cocoa bar, which is probably only going to be used by the 3 of us. But it's really cute and very festive for the season. Handwriting by me, signed by me, framed by Goodwill, another thrifted find. I actually already had all the garland from Christmas, so I just brought it here. I'm gonna reuse a lot of it. So there's that. Look, there's squirrely.
We got squirrely. A little bit of these lights. What are these called? String
These
lights?
are fairy lights, and these are actually got from the dollar store. They were $1, so we got them. Take AA batteries, super easy.
And look who that is.
Blackberry.
Blackberry.
Help yourself. And then I got the fake moss also from the dollar store. And then baby's breath. That's all real. So another thrifted find. Dylan washed it up. It was like pretty much new. Like I bet someone else used it for a party and didn't want it anymore and threw it away. That's like my theory. Yeah. So now we have the water. And then we have
the most beautiful drinks.
We have the sand pals over here. And then we got all these balloons from Party City. And what I did was I took garland from the dollar store and we put it down just to kind of match the theme. I think it looks pretty good. We're gonna walk over here. Another project we did was the photo backdrop. We used to get a photo backdrop from Amazon, so that's what we did. And then this balloon was given to Dylan's sister, so we already had that, which is really good. Saved us a bit of money. Have the garland here again. We got the ukes up here. This is real. And then we have the baby's breath, kind of strung along, and I like the asymmetry of this. This is thrifted. We got 2 curtain panels and we put it on here because I kind of want something earthier and it saves a lot of money. This backdrop from fabric is expensive. I have a balloon, we did burlap. And then let's find this guy right there. So it's nice that the different weights, so that way they kind of hang at different levels. Oh, and then we have our food station, which I'll show you.
Oh wow, look at this sign.
I wonder who made it.
Who made that sign? So much talent.
This frame's from Goodwill as well. So we emptied it out. Had this nice little thing. We have a lot of Greek food going on. So yeah. Oh look, there's Lucy. And the vlogs and then this is all real.
Right there, we got a real tree branch.
Don't worry, we didn't cut this off of the tree. This was already cut. Where are we, Matthew?
We're at June Callan Park, catfish photo location.
Here is my outfit. Shop. So outfit is done. Thanks, Maddie. And we're gonna head back to the party to clean up. And yeah, off we go.
Anything I was waiting for you to say
Dylan's
something.
starting the vlog.
Hi guys, we are now going to go find Matthew, who is finding clothes.
Matthew insisted on going to Public Butter. For those of you, like not Public Butter related really, but if you guys are interested in anything my brother thrifts and resells, I will have that linked. It's Thrift Speed.
Yeah. Very creative and original name.
He ripped off my name, sadly.
But he's got some really cool stuff. This jacket is also found by Matthew.
Not this one.
My jacket.
Oh my god, look at that little Ranger's jacket!
Also a tiny dog. I was excited about the dog.
We can find things for après ski.
Oh, we do need stuff for après ski.
This is so cute.
Oh, will that fit you?
Yeah, but it's not après ski.
It's really cute though.
Really cute. Or something like this. Polaris, that's kind of après ski.
Oh, this is sick. Did you find any après ski?
I didn't really look. That's cool.
Shirt. It's made in the 80s. That's pretty cool.
So cute.
Oh, look at it.
I know.
That's so cute.
So we're home now and we just ordered pizza. You hear them paying for it up there, so we're gonna eat pizza. Sorry, say.
You're on camera now. This is my new t-shirt. What do you think? Anyways, we regretted not eating enough at the party like you always do after you don't eat enough. And so we were gonna order pizza, and then there was this great deal for 2 larges, 2 toppings each, and it came with a t-shirt.
Why? Explain what's on the t-shirt.
Well, this is my boy. It's a dolphin. I don't know if he's made out of cheese or not. Oh my god, he's made out of cheese, bro! Cause that's the pepperoni.
Oh damn.
It's
Why
a
is it?
pepperoni man. right?
It's a gingerbread on a dolphin. This literally makes no sense.
It's pepperoni on cheese, Rachel.
Pepperoni man and cheesy dolphin.
Cheesy dolphin.
I like it. Original.
Dolph cheese.
Dolphin cheese.
Sure.
It's really me.
Oh, do we have a new episode of... Do we have a new episode of Dynasty?
Is this a mukbang?
No.
Serious face. Can't you tell? I call him. What have you got?
Someone or something has sabotaged this.
Comms have been spotting for the last few hours.
How do I shoot?
Alright, this is Rachel's first time playing playing Destiny 2 with left. You look around with right. No, Rachel, you have to keep your fingers on both of them. Okay? Well, she died for the second time in a row without having seen an enemy yet. Okay, just walk forward.
They don't spoil it for me.
I'm not spoiling, I told you to walk forward.
Look, there they are.
Gamer.
You can sneak.
Now they're just making it. Now they're making it so much easier for me.
Whoa, they can fly into you.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. You had a look. I taught you how to look.
I know.
No. And then zoom in.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to hold it as you look and then you shoot at them.
So much. I was gonna take.
Now shoot.
Wait.
No. Shoot. What? This is shoot, right?
I don't know, what was I doing?
You were jumping. That's how you fell off the. That's how you fell off the cliff. There's recoil though. And now he just shot a rocket at you, and now it's gonna explode.
Oh, no. Oh. I suck.
Here, why don't I do the looking and you do the walking? Okay.
This is the newest development.
No.
Hashtag just couple things.
Go up.
Guys,
Yeah.
this is what's happening right
press
now.
L2 so you can zoom in. Oh.
Oh shit.
No.
Shoot!
Oh my god.
Shoot!
You don't have a shield or anything?
Walk forward. Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
Oh.
Just hold it. Don't walk off the edge though. Yeah, shoot. Oh, you killed your first one. Turn around. Right there.
Oh, yay.
Damn.
Okay. Oh shit. Okay.
You guys did it. Now walk through over there. No, over there.
Systems by blowing up planets. Whatever.
They're trying to get up this set of stairs and it's, oh, 5th time's a try.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day and I'm just going to end the vlog quickly. Yeah. I know it's only the third day, but Vlogmas is definitely going to be a challenge for me. Not so much the videos I already have planned coming up, but the idea that there has to be an upload going up every day and there is very, very limited time to edit, create, and get all the footage that you want and then upload. And I'm not used to vlogging, so it's really different for me. But I think one of the good things about this is that you kind of have to put aside any idea of creating the perfect video and just that whole perfectionism mindset in general, and you just have to get things up and you have to get things done, and done is always better than perfect. I've said that so many times, and yeah, you just have to kind of learn how to let go. But anyway, that was just like a little mini kind of thing I want to put in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned because there is going to be a haul coming up, and then soon after I'm going to be doing my entire shoe collection / shoe purge. And yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll talk to you soon. Make sure to subscribe before Vlogmas Day 4. Bye.